Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best Tesla yoke steering wheel on the market for Model 3 and Model Y owners. The ZIMABLUE personalized yoke steering wheel with Nappa leather and heating functionality. Now, before we dive into the experience, let's set the record straight. This is not your average aftermarket accessory. This is a premium-grade enhancement tailored specifically for Tesla Model 3s from 2017 to 2023, and Model Ys from 2019 to 2024. It's designed not only to elevate your driving comfort, but also to add a sporty, futuristic aesthetic to your interior. So what makes this the best? Let's start with the material. ZIMABLUE uses genuine Nappa leather. That means you're getting a soft, natural leather feel that's also highly durable. It's smooth, delicate to the touch, and gives the steering wheel an upscale, tactile sensation every time your hands touch it. Underneath that leather is a stainless steel skeleton, giving it structural integrity while still being lightweight. The result is a perfect balance of comfort and control. Now, this model includes a heating function, which is a game-changer for colder climates. It warms up quickly and evenly, a great detail that you'll appreciate on those frosty mornings. And for those looking for customization, ZIMABLUE offers different styles including white Nappa and non-heated versions too. You can mix and match depending on your preference. But let's talk ergonomics. The yoke design is sleek, inspired by performance vehicles and aviation-style steering. It's engineered for maximum comfort with hand positioning that feels intuitive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or weaving through city traffic, the grip and feedback are incredibly satisfying. One of the best parts is installation. It's made for a vehicle-specific fit, so there's no guesswork. You simply transfer the OEM steering wheel components, the airbag, buttons, and wiring harness, and plug everything into the ZIMABLUE yoke. The whole process is straightforward if you're familiar with basic car modding, or you can have it done professionally in under an hour. Beyond the tactile and visual appeal, this product is all about elevating the driving experience. It adds a distinctive edge to your Tesla's cabin, turning heads with its futuristic look. And despite the bold design, it doesn't compromise on safety or control. ZIMABLUE backs it all up with strong after-sales support. If the product arrives damaged or you're not satisfied, their team promises to work with you through Amazon until the issue is resolved. That level of customer service is reassuring, especially when you're making a premium purchase like this. In conclusion, if you're looking to transform your Tesla's interior, the ZIMABLUE yoke steering wheel is a top-tier upgrade. With high-end materials, ergonomic design, heating functionality, and easy installation, it's one of the most thoughtful and stylish accessories available today for Tesla owners. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If this upgrade sounds like a fit for your Tesla, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next hands-on review. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.